Okay. From Ben Delmonico, 47 Elm Street, New Haven, Connecticut. Thank you, Delmonico Hatters, not the state, Curler House, that hat place that specializes in Stetson. This is for cool client Doug, who's an old friend of mine. He's like the guitar guru of New York. Doug owns Mountain Cat Guitars, so if you guys are looking for vintage guitars, or he also does a lot of boutique stuff. He represents a lot of cool boutique Stinger guitar makers. Check out Mountain Cat Guitars. I have been dying to get one of his makeovers on my Les Paul for a long time. One day I'm going to do that. From Procaster, Josh Procaster, amazing guitar builder in Brooklyn. Okay, let's take out this open road. It's brand new. It's a color called Walnut. I'm not even familiar with it, so let's check it out. Tissue glass. Stetson is so cool because you could hold them like a 6-pack. You guys know about that, right? They don't give you handles, but you can hold it like a 6-pack. Alright, let's open it up. That is a Royal Deluxe Open Road in the color Walnut. 7.5. Bring them with 2 3/4. Put it down on the tissue. Okay. Invoice, nice. A lot of padding. Oh, this is good. Oh, nice color. Nice, brand new. It smells so new. Oh yeah, look at that. Something about a brand new hat. It's like a deep dark chocolate brown. I'm trying to get it like, you know, I've got lights in here and stuff, so you can see me well. But yeah, it's a dark walnut. It's exactly what he wanted. Good. I didn't know whether brown mix or this was darker. This to me is a little darker. Brown mix is like a heathery kind of mix with some darker trim. This is awesome. Okay, let's put the band on it for Doug, right? Come on. Let's do this. This is a band that's horsehair and seed beads, Native American seed beads, all woven together. That's horsehair, except for that part of the seed beads. Oh, the light's bad, huh? Let's get some more light. Oh, this is gonna be a perfect hat for you, Doug. Hats and guitars, talking about Delmonico Hatters. They're the best source for Stetsons. You better go see Ben at Delmonico's, 'cause he's got every Stetson in the land. He's got Temples, he's got Whippets, he's got Saxons, he's got Open Roads. He's even got the 20X, I think. I know he's got the Pure. It's expensive, but cool. Hey, don't forget to shop at Delmonico's so you can get so hooked up like this. Open Roads, got a snap brim. You can wear it like a fedora. Open Roads, they cool up. Does any of you guys wear it like that anyway? Not too many of you, I bet. Hey, wow, worst song ever. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Anyway, so this is the band that's going on it. I don't want to shove it on there the wrong way. That's it. Open Road unboxing. Yeah, Delmonico. Awesome place, right? I think they give you a discount for your first order or two. Delmonico's, the place that has every single Stetson hat. Yeah. Don't forget to check out Doug's band, the Rising Sun Band. They're really cool. They sound like Django and stuff.